Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and Friends. Do you remember the last video I did for our lost boy, our brother / sister? And because he was vegetarian, I did a vegetarian dish. Now that's unlike me. Everyone was shocked, everyone expected me to throw at least a bit of bacon or a full chicken or a fucking cow's head on it at the end. But I didn't. I did it especially for lost boy, because he don't eat meat and he's not been well. So, and plus he paid for that episode, have you not? But like everything, good, evil, yin and yang, shit has got to even out. So tonight's video, brothers and sisters, as I spit everywhere, I have got some steak and I've got some good old bacon. We're going to start this by having a quick look at these two fabulous sirloin steaks I've got. And the usual applies when it comes to steak. Just get some oil on it. Rub it in. Rub it in. Let's do both sides actually, because it's going everywhere, isn't it? There's the oil on my steak. Damn that, my fucking hands are full of shit. Then we're going to go in with some good old coarse sea salt. I think. Yeah. Plenty on. We love it, don't we? We love it. We love it. And some cracked black pepper. Plenty on, because this is what gives it your crust. And your taste. It just makes it look fucking orgasmic, to be quite honest with you. So, I've got that side. I've got the other side to do, which is exactly the same way I've just done that fucking side. So, I am not going to show you, because I'll just be repeating myself. So I'm not going to show you, because I'll just be repeating myself. Right, let's put the lid on this. Right, I've got my pan heating up. Screaming hot griddle. These steaks, any second, are going sliding right in that. So we're putting our steaks in our griddle. Gently does it. Gently does it. We don't want to take the heat out of the pan. I normally will do one at a time, but I'm doing two. I think the pan should handle it. There we go. Right. I'm going to sit them there now. Just let them sizzle and frazzle away now, because I'm going to do it for 4 minutes each side. Well, it'll be about a matter of seconds to you guys, won't it? So we'll come back in a second and we'll go for the flip. As promised, that has been 4 minutes. So let's get this flipped. Oh, yes. Ha ha ha, babe. Now that is one good looking steak, if I say so myself. But it is not done yet. I'm going to do it for another 4 minutes and then we'll get it out with a screaming hot pan. Right, these steaks are coming off. Oh yes. Look at them babies. Right, these need to settle, whatever you want to call it. And we'll get some bacon in that. In fact, we'll clean it first, and then we'll get some bacon in that fucker. Well, I have no idea how much bacon to use, so I'm just going to fill this pan. Does that sound like a plan? Hey, it rhymes and everything. I got 2 slices all the way down. Oh, you motherfucker. That burnt like that. Oh, Jesus. So that should be, let's try and not burn myself again. Jesus Christ, it's hot with the fucking sun, that pan. I have got 6 slices, or 6 rashers of streaky bacon. No finger up, no skin on my index finger. That is in there somewhere as well. But yeah, we're going to fry this off, get it nice and crispy. And then, oh yeah, I've got my paninis. in the oven, crisping up nicely, and we're going to butter them with some garlic and herb cheese. Oh, ho, ho. And there we have. Incidentally, the bacon is done. The steak is done. There are my 2 bottoms of my toasted panini. Can you hear that? Done. There's my garlic and herb cheese. So, I just want to get a good layer of that cheese on these. You know, like that. And I mean, it has to be a good layer. Otherwise, it's fucking pointless. Right, something resembling that. So I'll crack on here. And then we'll get this bacon, the steak on. We'll get it built. We'll slide it down my gizzard. So there we are. Not buttered. We have them cheesed up. Cheesed, yeah. So now we're going to get some streaky bacon on these. That's 1 slice. Oh, fucking hell, that's hot. 2 slices. 3 slices on that one. Then we're going to go in with a steak on it. Oh, look at that bastard. Look at that. Repeat it with the other one. 1 slice. Swap hands because I've just burnt my fingers again. 3 slice. Fuck me, that's hot. Steak. Let's not forget the juices off the plate. That the steak has been resting. Yes. Bit of juices, fuck it. And then we're going to get our lids on. Now, this, if this don't counteract that vegetarian shit I ate the other day, I don't know what will. Oh. Steak and bacon. And I know it looks like a drop of diarrhea there in the middle of the board, but that is that Stubbs BBQ sauce that my brother Stevie baby sent me. And that is going to kind of be like that. It's going to be a dipping sauce, isn't it? Boy, look at that. Now, there's not really an ounce of fucking vegetarian shit anywhere in there, apart from maybe the wheat that's in them fucking paninis. Right, let's get up here and slide one of these bad boys down me gizzard. So there it is, my brothers and sisters. We've got the steak, we've got the bacon, we've got the garlic and herb cheese. All I've got to do is just stick a bit of that now in that Stubbs BBQ sauce. Look at that. And that is going down me gizzard. That barbecue sauce is the best I've ever had. Thank you, Stevie. That steak is tender. You got the saltiness of the bacon, you got the saltiness of the peppery on the crust on the steak. You got the cheese. Oh my god, you got the crunch of the panini as well. That steak is so tender. Oh my god, my brothers and sisters. That was mighty fucking fine. Well, it wasn't. It was mighty fucking fine. It was beautiful. I suggest you try that. That Stubbs' barbecue sauce is fucking the shiznit. Huh? I liked it. If you liked it, press like. Comment, share it all your social media, and subscribe. And become a family member of #Team CTB, where I fucking love you. You know what, you bitch? You're better than a high-class hooker.